Linus with Hitching Up and Moving On. Today we are going to tackle doing some work to our pantry shelving. I'm going to show you what we got right here. We have all these shelves in here, and they are only about 8 inches wide, and we're going to bring them all the way out to here, 12 inches wide. We're going to bring them out to the edge and get the use out of this extra shelving that we're missing. So we're going to make them wider and change it so it's a little bit bigger and hold a little bit more. Okay. So I'm just going to take these shelves and tap them up, tap them loose. Take them out of here like this. Put them out of here. Top one, the same. We're just going to take them out of here though. I put this one in a long time ago with the short one. These are not too great. Oh, that's the one I put into. Yeah. I'm going to take this one out too. I'm going to take it. I believe it's got screws in it, so I didn't pop loose. I'll have to rebuild that one. So, but I'm just going to set these. I'll get rid of these nails up here on top. And just take and put new shelves across all the way out to here. Have to cut around a little light strip. It'll block some of the light, but it won't be that bad. Okay, guys. Okay, I marked every one of these shelves brackets because I'm going to take them off the wall and I'm going to get rid of the metal on them. Actually take my little grinder and just grind them off there. That way they're gone. And then I'll put new shelves, put them back in there and re-screw them back to the wall better than they was, because this is all they were. They had one screw in them. The back had two, but one in the side wall, which makes no sense to me. Why you couldn't have put, you know, an extra screw in that one right there, lined up with the shelf. Okay, we took all the brackets out of here. Show you what it looks like. Took all the brackets out of the sides. And I'm going to get ready to trim up some of the brackets. Oh, I missed one right there. But anyhow, I'm taking all them off so I can get rid of the metal staples that are in them. Okay, I'll make sure you can see that. I'm going to get this laid out. What I'm going to do is take these wood pieces. I'm just going to lay them across here. Turn my camera. Okay, you can see I ground all the top edges off them, so the boards just sit on there flush, and I'm going to put some glue and then put some fresh staples back in. Next thing I'm going to do, this is my original board. I'm going to pull this little rubber thing off the edge. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that or not. This is my original board. I bought these other boards at Lowe's. No, Menards. Just got me cut out right there. pattern. I'll make one to make sure it works. And I have to cut over here off the corner. Shelves. Deep as that goes, I wish it went just a little bit deeper. So I'm going to take my knife and turn it out there. Should be in the top. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to take it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use that, I just look at that as an example, but every one of these I'm going to drill an extra hole. Put an extra screw in them, they don't have, they should put 2 screws in them. Add an extra screw like this length in there, and that way you'll have an extra strength to hold it out. Okay, I got the brackets put back in, most of this. Got some glue on top, just a little bit, because I'm going to staple it too. I'll show you guys what's going to happen. My new board here. We're going to cover this front piece right here, if you can see that. We're going to cover that front piece when we get done too, but right now, I got it. Shelf in there, and then we'll try this. I'm hoping this is going to work out for me. Take one of these old strips that we had on there just for cover this front a little bit. I'm going to put a little glue on the back of it. I just think this is just Elmer's left tight, but staple. This is actually a stapler. Get it in there like I want. And that should do that. Okay, a little bit on me, but not too bad though. Hey everybody, I thought I'd show you the finished project of the pantry that we worked on, putting new shelves in. So I'm going to bring you around here and show you how it turned out. And there's with rubber mats on it. It gave us so much more depth. This is almost 12 inches deep versus not quite 8. Top one up there, but it's got some stuff on it. Pantry. It turned out pretty good. So while I got you here, I'm going to show you what else I added to the camper. And that's right over here in this little cabinet next to the microwave. I added this top shelf right here. And it was a real simple project. I went to Walmart and they had this shelf, and I think it's about a 10-inch wide shelf, and it had these brackets with it already. So all I did was take in the back here, I screwed the brackets, use some light there, I screwed the brackets right to the wall back here, and screwed the brackets up here, cut the shelf off in the width. The width was longer, I cut it off in the width, and it fit right in here nice and tight. So you can put stuff up here, stuff down here, and it worked out really nice. And the last thing, the very last thing I did was right here, and she showed you on another video, but because we're doing the stuff where I added shelf space, I'm going to show you this one more time. And down here, I added this top shelf right here. And come in handy because it has all this open space in there. There's no way of putting anything in here. So added that top shelf. I bought this mat. This is a workout mat you can buy at Walmart for $9.99. I bought that. It's actually heavy duty. I put it in the floor to cover. This wood gets dinged up so bad. It's such cheap junk. I hate to say that word, but it is. So in order to keep it from getting dinged up so bad, we put this down. Actually glued this one in. Glued this one in, and this one's just laying in here in case we have to take it back out. That's why it's got a few wrinkles in it. And, but that protects the floor, protects all the wood around it. So, a couple little projects you can do. So, thanks for watching our channel. Hitching up and moving on. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on another video. Thanks.